Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to talk about how to find Google for tracking code. So tracking ID, tracking code you can find out in Google Analytics 4, but it's little bit complex and different from Google Analytics 3. So let's see how. You just need to log in your account and then you will find this home page, home screen, and it's a demo account, so there is no much data, but I can tell you where you can find your code. So you just need to go to admin. Here left side area you can see on mouse over you can find some options. So click on left corner in the bottom side area on admin or setting icon. Here click here and then you can find data streams. So there are so many options, but you have to click on data streams, data collection and modification section. So I will click here. You can find here if you added a account already. If you not, then you have to add your account or website. So here are some options what you want to add: web, Android, iOS, all. So all in all section you can find your all IDs. So you have to select your account or website, we can say. Here you can find your tracking ID, but what about the code? You have to go down and configure tag setting. You have to click here. It will take some time to load, and after that you will find this screen. So you have to go to admin. Here you can find history, configuration, admin. So in history you can find everything what you did in your Google Analytics account. So in admin section there are so many options. Here you can find manage Google tag, combine tag, install this Google tag. So install this Google tag, you have to click here. Now you can import directly, install this in your website, but I would recommend use this option, install manually. So here you can find the code. Finally you can copy it, and there is an instruction that how you can add this code. The below is the Google tag for this account. Copy and paste it in the code of every page of your website immediately after the head element. Don't add more than one tag to each page. So you have to add this in the head section. You can test any page. You have to add this and then click here, and it will show you that you have Google tag or not. I don't have, that's why it's not showing. Okay, so I hope you got my point. Now you know that how you can find the tracking code, and you can copy it and paste it in the head section. Only one time it should come, and every page you have to add. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you need any help, you can ask me in the comment box. Thank you.